Welcome to the world's tallest wind turbine tower made out of wood. Steel is a great material, right? But steel is very heavy. And with this material, we can perform the same task, but with 30% less weight and with more than 100% less carbon emissions.
Massive pieces of steel on site by road is already a major headache. At a factory in Gothenburg, more than 100 thin sheets of wood are glued together to make the wall sections. Those modular pieces can then be more easily taken to the turbine site.
But building bigger also has its problems. Other parts of the supply chain need to adapt to the huge increases in size and weight. A report from consultants Wood Mackenzie this year said that about half of the world's installation vessels are set to retire because they are not designed to cope with the newer turbine models.
And then there's advantage number 3, which is the carbon sequestration I mentioned at the start of the video. The life cycle emissions from a 110 metre tall wind turbine tower made of steel are about 1,250 tonnes of carbon dioxide. The same tower made of wood produces life cycle emissions of around 125 tonnes of CO2.